Hi, I'm Julia Miller. I am a Sool specialist and I am co-founder of the Sool Company.
And I'm Daniel. I'm also the co-founder of the Sool Company and a Sool specialist too. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a style of makgeolli that can be made easily in your own home, using ingredients and equipment that can be conveniently found almost anywhere in the world. And the name of this recipe is danyanju, which simply means a single-step fermentation.
The word Sool is what we use to describe Korean traditional alcohol, including cheongju, takju, and even soju. It can take years to master the recipes, and it can sometimes require a bit of specialized equipment.
And we all really want to drink this bad boy, so let's get started.